A/B testing is a really powerful tool that allows you to compare different ideas and then select the best working ones based on the results. So there are two main approaches how you can make an A/B test. One of them is when you don't have a campaign and you want to create, let's say, a campaign with different creatives and A/B test them. The other option is when you already have a campaign and you want to A/B test a new campaign towards the one you already have. So let us start with the new campaign. So we're just going to create a campaign from scratch and turn on the A/B testing on it. So I'm going to go with the traffic option here. I'm going to click continue. Then let's say I want to choose everything manually. Recommended settings works as well. It's just, I prefer to go manual. So I click continue. Then here in this menu, we scroll down and we see A/B test option. We click on that toggle button. We click next. Then here, I'm not going to be selecting anything since it's just an example, but of course, you'll need to set up the audience and the location. Then once we're in the ad copy settings, we're just going to upload some random image, let's say this one, and then we're just going to put something in the text, let's say hi. Then yeah, we just click next, skip, done, whatever is needed for us to just publish that campaign, right? And if we don't get any errors, it's gonna be published. Yes. So once it's published, we're gonna have a pop-up. It's gonna be showing us that our A/B test is halfway set up. Version A is already here, and now we need to set up version B. We click on the continue button. Then we have two options. We can pick an existing ad and put it as version B, or we can make a copy of the ad we have just set up, and then make the changes we want to, and publish the campaign we get in the end. So I'm gonna go with the copy we have already. I'm gonna click next. So me personally, I like testing creatives, but also sometimes you can choose audience here and test different audiences, like different locations or different ages. Also placements. I haven't really used that option, but yeah, sometimes if you want to compare, let's say, Facebook and Instagram, you can select this one as well. Or you can go with custom and select a few options here. So I'm gonna click on creative, then we select our ad copy that we had already. Then we go next. Here we just need to come up with a name, select the key metric, the schedule, and click on duplicate ad set. So once it's done, we're gonna get a new ad set here, as you can see, and now we have this little icon next to the name that shows that this is an A/B test. So here you can see a test word, which means that, for you to just know that this is like the new version. I'll also put V2 here so that we know that. And then I'm just gonna go to our ad. And let's say I want to test the text. So instead of hi, I'm gonna go hello. And hopefully it will change something. So actually, you're on this stage, you're just adding all the changes you want to. Maybe new pictures, new images, new videos, or if you selected the audience on the previous step, you will obviously changing something here in the ad set settings. But I've made my changes. I just click publish, and if we don't have any errors, it's gonna publish my ad. So let us wait a bit. Yeah, it's done. And now we're gonna have this A/B test. Then here, if we deselect everything, we're gonna have two ad sets and we can compare them one by one. It's gonna be using $20 daily. So remember I was talking, there is a second option. So let's say we have a campaign already and we want to make another one and make an A/B test with them. So what we can do, we can just click and kind of select the campaign, and then here you see we have the same button we were seeing before. We click on it, we click get started, and as you can see, the same menu, everything is the same. So you just make a copy of pick the existing ad, and yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. We have other videos on digital marketing, so take a look at them as well, and see you in the next one.